What's up, everybody? Welcome to Davina Makes. Today we're going to make the world's fastest router table. I like to use a lot of jigs in the shop, and I don't like to spend a lot of time using them, so most of them are really fast, really easy, and made out of scrap material. So here we go. I'm going to do it in live time. You're going to need a screwdriver, a drill. I like to use a punch. I like to use a countersink. And I like to use a foot pedal. But those three options are options. I'm going to use a piece of laminate flooring that I have, and obviously a router. Laminate flooring is just about the same thickness as the router plate. That's what you're looking for. You can use any material you want, scrap, plywood, whatever. I'm going to put the router plate over the piece of laminate flooring, hold it in place. Use the punch in the center of those holes. Drill them out with a brad point drill bit. Countersink them. Oh yeah, need a hole saw. Hole saw out the center. Marked everything accurately. Should be able to just fit your screws that would normally, or your machine screws that would normally hold on your faceplate onto this new piece. Boom, just like that. Then you can adjust your bit height to make your perfect little roundovers that you want. Hang it over the edge of your workbench. Oh, put something heavy there to keep it from falling over. Now I'll just plug in my foot pedal, put that on the floor. This is called a foot pedal or a deadman. So if you step off it, the router turns off. If you step on it, the router turns on. Oh, come on here. Turn on your router. Beautiful. Thanks for watching.